So we're about to start our trip. Just waiting for Claire to finish at the shops and then we'll get packing.
Where it's just you and me.
What'd you get?
We have Nutella sandwiches and we are ready to rock and roll.
The summer air by the seaside, the way it fills our lungs, the fire burns in the night sky.
I opened up the sky for the first time and I've just made the bed, so we're ready to go for tonight. Lloyd's been helping me out.
I'm moving far away to a sunny place where it's just you and me. Feels like we're in a dream. You know what I'm moving far away to a sunny place where it's just you and me.
Time to fill up these bays
Yeah.
and start the road trip.
Minute 1 of our 17-hour trip. Bum, bum, bum.
Morning 1 after night 1. We've used our swag for the first time.
Yep.
It was a success and no
Big success.
one busted us.
Someone was a bit cold.
We left. Yes, we stayed on the side of the road. I was freezing.
It's like 7:15 in the morning and there's flies everywhere.
Me outside, but empty at my core. I feel so extinct. I'm beginning to think that I am a dinosaur.
How's your first night?
It was good. I saw like 3 shooting stars last night. That's swag. I like the swag.
Yeah, it was good. Had plenty of space. Yeah, it was nice and quiet actually. Much better than the place we were going to stop at before. 7.5 hours of driving last night. Pretty easy. Wasn't really that much of a stress. And 6 or 5, yeah, 6 today. To go to Tamworth and see our friends. And so we'll just cruise along and just enjoy. And that was Forbes. Nah, just joking.
We picked Forbes. It's pretty.
Empty at my core. I feel so extinct. I'm beginning to think.
And we're trying to find the local coffee shop. Do you think we found one?
We're at the brew. Getting our local coffee. There was a Macca's, but we thought no, we're going to go to the local. So we're supporting the local coffee in Forbes. I had to try and park the car diagonally backwards
That was interesting. I don't really know where the lines are, so you know. No idea which one's a hot one and which one's not.
Success.
Success! 2 flatties, thank you very much.
Claire just had a sip of the coffee.
I don't think there's any extra hot ones, but that's okay.
Now we're going to probably listen to a sermon, I think, which will be nice.
Ash Brown and John Papa! Let's go! I'll be back.
Told me it's all easier when you do what you're told. Borrow my leg to stand on, let's get out of control. Daily dose of your coquetry. I've put some thoughts into poetry. As summer's eve, shall I compare to thee, or is it not to be? Oh, it smells like summer, it smells like summer.
It's pretty smoky outside.
Oh, it smells like summer.
And it seems like we're driving more into the smoke. Hopefully we have a good drive towards. We got 5 hours and 27 minutes, 484 kilometers to go.
We don't need anyone's permission.
So we're currently in a little town called Beirut, I think is how you say it. On our last day of the trip, we're probably about 3.5 hours out of Toowoomba. Lloydie's down here having a little wee break.
Another day, another Nutella sandwich.
We are in Tenterfield, I think, which is very close to the Queensland border. It's about 12:30. A bit hungry, so we thought we'd have a little picnic. Picnic in the park.
Here's an ideal sleep when you're dead. Come over.
Where are we?
Toowoomba, our new home for the next 6 weeks. 17 hours and 43 minutes, I think it was.
We don't need anyone's permission.
Alright, we're about to come up on the church. Exciting time.
We've made it. This is going to be our home for the next 6 weeks. As a family, safe and sound. So it's very exciting.